Let's go to the U.S. now, and the United States Vice President Mike Pence has hired an outside lawyer to handle his response to inquiries into possible ties between President Trump's campaign and Russia. Richard Cullen is known for representing high-profile clients. Earlier, U.S. media reported that Donald Trump was being investigated by special counsel Robert Mueller for possible obstruction of justice. Mr. Mueller is leading an FBI inquiry into Russia's alleged meddling in the 2016 presidential election. The reports indicate that senior intelligence officials would be interviewed on whether Trump tried to end an inquiry into his sacked national security advisor Michael Flynn and about the firing of FBI Chief James Comey. Trump, who has repeatedly denied any collusion with Russia, said the move was the latest action of, quote-unquote, a phony story.
With the president of Mexico, who I know, and we're going to start some negotiations having to do with NAFTA. But we're going to start renegotiating on NAFTA, on immigration, and on security at the border. And Mexico has been terrific, actually, terrific. And the president has been